here is the Asus Republic of Gamers Zephyrus Duo 15, powered by the 10th gen Intel Core i7 processor. It's the latest gaming laptop from Asus that's unlike anything you've ever seen before, well, except for maybe in a sci-fi movie or a TV show. The Zephyrus Duo is one of those rare laptops that will make all of your friends envious because there's literally nothing else quite like it out there. Featuring an innovative new form factor with an angled second display called the ScreenPad Plus, buttery smooth gaming performance with desktop caliber performance up to 5 GHz out of that i7 processor, an efficient thermal liquid cooling system, and an overall clean, slim metal design, the Zephyrus Duo is an incredible technological feat both inside and out, and it is without question the most impressive, the it computer to get this holiday season. Whether you're a gamer or content creator, the Zephyrus Duo will no doubt be the perfect laptop for you, and thanks to Asus and Intel Gaming, I'm going to share with you guys what this beast is capable of across a number of upcoming videos. Get hyped! What is up, my friends? It's Ray back here, and take a look at this insane surprise that arrived here in the studio from Asus and Intel. It's the brand new Asus Republic of Gamers Zephyrus Duo 15 gaming laptop. How cool is this? This laptop is easily the most powerful computer that I've ever had in my hands, and being both a gamer and content creator, well, let's just say that I'm gonna make great use of this beast and really see what it can do. So I really do have to give a huge thank you to my friends over at Asus and Intel for just this amazing opportunity. I'm like so humbled. This is awesome. Before we get unboxing things and doing some first impressions, I just want to remind you guys to smash that subscribe button and hit that bell notification icon so you can be notified by YouTube whenever I live stream and upload new videos. There is so much content coming down the pipeline, and I don't want you guys to miss a thing. So with that said, let's unbox this thing and check out the Zephyrus Duo. Man, oh man, as you guys can see, the Zephyrus Duo is beautifully packed in here with so much attention to detail in the packaging. The laptop itself weighs about 5 pounds, and you can definitely feel how premium it is the second you pick it up. Along the sides, the Zephyrus Duo has one headphone out, one mic in, along with the power supply port on the left-hand side. Around the back, it has an RJ45 Ethernet port, an HDMI 2.0 port, and a USB 3.2 Type A port. On the right side, it has two USB 3.2 Type A ports, along with a single USB-C port, which supports DisplayPort, Power Delivery, G-Sync, and Thunderbolt 3. Along the sides of it, the Zephyrus Duo definitely has no shortage of connectivity options. The model that I have here comes packed with 32 gigs of DDR4 RAM, 2 terabytes of SSD storage, NVIDIA's flagship RTX 2080 Super Max Q GPU with 8 gigs of GDDR6 memory, an 8-core 10th gen Intel i7 processor that can boost up to 5 GHz, a huge 90-watt battery, and an anti-glare 15-inch FHD display with a refresh rate of 300 Hz. The specs of this thing on paper are just simply unreal. What's even more is that all of this power is packed into a slim laptop that weighs a little more than 5 pounds. That's very impressive. This version of the Zephyrus Duo is the quote-unquote gamer version. There's another more expensive model geared towards content creators that features a higher res 4K display, as well as a 10th gen Intel Core i9 processor. You can no doubt do great work and gaming on either one of these things, but ultimately it comes down to the display. Do you want high res or do you want high refresh? It really depends on your needs. Simply just seeing the Zephyrus Duo in person though is a sight to behold, especially if you're a tech nerd like myself. It's like something out of the future. For years, the trend with laptops has always been all about getting smaller and thinner. Outside of that, there really hasn't been much change with them. That's why when I first opened the lid on the Zephyrus Duo, my jaw just like dropped. It is seriously one of the coolest laptops that I've ever seen, and that's mostly all thanks to that companion display which Asus calls the ScreenPad Plus. The ScreenPad Plus is made possible by that powerful 10th gen Intel Core i7 chip behind the scenes, and it allows you to place virtually any window in it, expanding your total screen real estate. Whether you're gaming on the main screen and want to have your chat or stream controls beneath it on the ScreenPad Plus, or maybe you're creating something on the main screen and want your creative controls or files beneath it, the possibilities here are endless. And through my time with it so far, I found the ScreenPad Plus to be very useful. It is definitely far from a gimmick. As you can see, it's also a touchscreen, so you can simply drag and drop windows, preset them into the launcher, and just get moving quickly with multitasking. The ScreenPad Plus supports resolutions of 3840 by 1100 and 1920 by 550, so it is just as sharp and crisp and vibrant as the main display above it. Beneath that, there's a full-size keyboard with full RGB lighting to back it up. Typing here is one of the best experiences that I've ever had on a laptop, hands down. Many times laptop keyboards can be hit or miss, but I'm happy to report here that the one on the Zephyrus Duo is just excellent to type on. To the right of that, there's the incredibly cool trackpad, which also doubles as a numeric keypad. The placement does take some time to get used to, especially if you're used to using the trackpad underneath the keyboard, but to make room for that ScreenPad Plus, it was a wise design choice. As far as performance goes, I've been playing a lot of Fall Guys and Hades on Steam, as well as editing photos and videos in Adobe Lightroom, Photoshop, and Premiere. Every single task that I threw at this thing over the past few days that I've had it, it's just been blazing through everything with ease. There's been zero lag, zero hiccups, and it's just been a breath of fresh air for me personally, as I'm always used to dealing with those hiccups on my other computers. Like, you guys have no idea, this is an absolute game changer for me. I think what I'm really most excited about with this PC is that it now finally gives me the ability to finally dive into the epic library of PC games. I've been missing out on so much, and I know I'm super late to the Fall Guys trend, but man, oh man, is this game so incredibly fun. In fact, if you're in my Discord server or friends with me on Discord, this laptop is the reason why you see me playing Fall Guys so often. The game runs very smoothly here on the Zephyrus Duo, and that high refresh rate display just makes things look absolutely gorgeous. As far as the cooling system goes, this laptop does blow a lot of air, especially during gameplay and intensive tasks, but the surface is never really hot to the touch, so it does a really great job at keeping things nice and cool. Overall, to close out my first impressions here, I've been using the Zephyrus Duo 15 for the past few days now, and it has been nothing but a pure joy to use. I've been having a blast with it. Like I said earlier, the Zephyrus Duo is one of those rare laptops that's just in a class of its own, standing tall and mighty all by itself. It does something completely new, executes it very well, and delivers behind the scenes with its performance. Still though, there's a lot of testing and gaming that has to be done to truly see how far this thing can go, but so far, I'm literally blown away speechless. There's being regular blown away, and then there's being blown away speechless, and that's me. The Zephyrus Duo is easily the most powerful computer that I've ever had in my hands, and the fact that it's great for both gaming and creative work is truly a dream come true for me. So with that said, I want to know, what are some specs that you look for when you're shopping for a new laptop? Do you look for the best of the best, a cheaper price tag, something that just gets the job done? I would love to know what you think, as well as your thoughts on the Zephyrus Duo down in the comments box down below. Also, like I said earlier, be sure to stay tuned for more videos coming soon on the Zephyrus Duo 15, because this is only the first of many more to come. Anywho, that's about it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, you know the drill by now. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, because it always helps out the channel. And until the next one, I will catch you guys later. Peace!